Welcome. What are you looking at is a commercial dishwasher that's leaking. We are fixing it. Another happy customer with the repaired Hobart dishwasher. This dishwasher was on on a trailer, and we fixed it when the customer was on the move. You can give us a call 818-284-9184. We fix all equipment, commercial, residential, any restaurant equipment, chocolate equipment. We fix pizza ovens, refrigerator walk-ins, coolers, reaching. Again, we are located in Los Angeles. We fix all appliances, 818-284-9184.